stuck it in my drawer. Now every line I wrote is dancing through that door. You're every quality I prayed for, standing right in front of me. Strong and gentle, loud and tender, perfect in your honesty. I used to dream in scattered colors, now they're spinning when we move. You're every quality I prayed for, and my heart's got nothing left to prove. You don't bend when it's inconvenient, don't perform when the room is loud. You stand steady in the chaos, same alone as in the crowd. You argue, then you soften, come back just to make it right. You pour the wine, start laughing, turn the kitchen into light. I used to chase a spark that faded with the night. Now I've got a bonfire burning steady, burning bright. You're every quality I prayed for, standing right in front of me. Strong and gentle, loud and tender, perfect in your honesty. I used to dream in scattered colors, now they're spinning when we move. You're every quality I prayed for, and my heart's got nothing left to prove. Take my waist, spin me round, bare feet on this ground. If this is what forever feels like, let the band play loud till the sun hits our eyes.